Hello friends! Today we are going to bust our stress with this fidget stress buster. Very simple. Take a square piece of paper. I have taken 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter. So have this paper in front of you and fold it into half like this. Fold it into a nice little triangle. Alright, fold it into a nice little triangle like this. Open it up. Do it the other way as well. Fold it the other way as well so that you get an X mark. And give it a nice little crease, reinforce it. Like this. And open it up. There you go, I have the X mark in front of you right now. Now bring the sides, the corners to the center this way. Bring the corners to the center this way and open it up. Now you have the paper, nice and clean. Flip it. Now divide it into half this way. Give it a nice little press and open it up. Now divide this bottom part into half again like this. And give it a nice little crease. Do the same thing for the top part again. And keep it this way. Now open it. Now do it vertically as well. Divide the paper vertically into half this way. And open it. Now again divide these two parts into halves, just like we did for the horizontal one. Give it a nice little crease and then open the paper up. Now fold the edges a bit this way just to make sure that you can have them in place. So I'll give a nice small little folds to the corners just like this and opening it up. Now I'll hold the paper like this in the center and bring all of them together. All the centers together. Now I'll keep one fold in each direction. So there you go, a Ninja Turtle. So open the flaps up like this. Now move it this way. Flip the paper. After this, try to bring the corners to the center again, just like you did in the first steps. but open it. Do it for all the directions. Bring the corners to the center. Give it a nice little push. Open it. Bring the corners to the center. Give it a nice little reinforcement. Open it. Bring the corners to the center. Give it a nice little reinforcement and open it. When you're done, keep your paper like this and fold this bottom right part like this. Give it a nice little fold and then open it. If this is done, watch this step really closely. Hold the paper this way and push these two lines. So you can give it a nice little smudge and push it these two lines. So I'm folding it across this line and then holding the paper this way. So just fold the paper this way and there you get your nice little prism at the top. Keep this, move back. Here you find this extra paper. So try to open it up and keep it this way so that you get your bottom prism as well. If I see it this way, you have your fidget spinner almost ready. Just that this thing is standing out, so let's fold this part up. Since we have already folded this one to keep this in place, we'll fold the rest as well just to give it the nice little same style. Just fold along the diagonals, nothing much. When all the three are done, you can just make sure that everything is folded right. You have your fidget spinner ready already. Just that, try opening this bit up a bit so that you can blow the air nicely. Just small little bits to let the air come in a bit freely. Then close out the folds again. Now your fidget spinner is ready. Let's test it out.